Hi, this is Michelle Adams with the Law Office of Michelle Adams. And every once in a while, not every once in a while, more often than not, I'll have someone who comes to me to say, Michelle, I need a trust. And so those are always red flag words for me because that means they either talked to somebody who said you need a trust, or they went to a workshop that said you need a trust, or maybe a combination of the two. And while trusts are a great idea in some cases, I need to kind of peel back the onion to find out a little bit more about what is prompting this, what is motivating someone to want to move forward with creating it. Because while trusts are great tools, they may not be what's needed for your particular situation. And in this case, it turns out that the assets that were in question all had beneficiary designations attached to them. The individual's primary motivation was avoiding probate. And when I talked to her through this, it turns out that all of the assets that she has, she could name someone, and that in and of itself will typically avoid probate. So we don't always need to go the long, convoluted, roundabout way to get that same outcome. Sometimes it's just a plain and simple, let's update the beneficiary designations to achieve, in this particular situation, the goal that this individual wanted to put in place. So sometimes the best advice is not always great advice. And that's why it's so critically important that you talk to an attorney so that they can help walk you through what that process would entail. And just one other final piece to that, she was also informed, some wrong information, but that the will would override what was listed as the beneficiary designation, and that's not the case. So as a reminder, beneficiary designations supersede, take priority over what's in the will. The will take over if there has been no beneficiary named on a particular asset. That's when the will control. I hope that helps. Again, this is Michelle Adams with the Law Office of Michelle Adams. If I can be of assistance to you or to your family, please reach out to me at the information. I have the information listed below. Take care and all the best.